Boil your old kitchen towels and you will be surprised by what happens. You need to know this wonderful trick that only a few people know. When using them often, kitchen towels tend to look in poor condition and have a bad smell no matter how many times you wash them. This is because the grease in the kitchen ends up impregnated in these and becomes almost impossible to remove. Many people throw these towels in the trash, but this is not recommended, as money can be wasted on this. But do not worry, since this time I will teach you how to renew your kitchen towels so that they are like new if you remove them. Greasy smell that they get used to having, and that also spreads throughout the kitchen every time you use them. So pay attention, because when you know this, you will never have to throw them in the trash again. The first step is to take a pot and add water to half. Then we put it to boil on the stove. Once it starts to boil, we put all the kitchen towels that we want to renew. The hot water will be in charge of removing all the bacteria that accumulate in the towels and cause the bad smell. Remove them well so that they are all soaked in the hot water. Next, we will add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is one of those ingredients that are very good for cleaning, especially when it comes to wrinkled fabric. Stir again until the baking soda is completely dispersed. We will also add a tablespoon of liquid detergent. It may be the same one you use to wash dishes. Take advantage and tell me which country you are watching me from, so I will send you a greeting in the next video. After this, turn off the fire and wait a few minutes until the water reaches room temperature. The next thing will be to throw this water and rinse the towels with water until they are completely clean. Then you put it to dry. By doing this, your towels will be totally new and with a pleasant aroma. This way you can reuse it, and you will not have to throw it away. And the best of all is that it does not lose its color but remains intact. From today, the bad smell that the towels always have will not be watered down throughout the kitchen, but will now keep the kitchen top and your stove free of germs.